the dashboard for hospital for its admin. So this is the driver one. Now if you change the map to somewhere else, and if you want to go track all the ambulances, you can click this button. So let's create a trip for driver one. So we'll be picking up from Bangalore airport here. We will set a message like pick up from airport, and we'll give a phone number as this one. Then our second stop will be suppose Marthalli on the bridge. This will be first drop. First drop here. Phone number something. Now this will be the last drop, which will be Silk Board flyover of Bangalore. And this is last drop here, and some phone number. We'll create a drive. It comes here, this one. We can view this ride from airport to first drop here, and then last drop here as the red marker, green marker for starting point. Okay, so let's log into this driver in this app. Okay, so this is the ride we just created here, and if you open this app and at the drive, you get notification here as well. So like that. So suppose this drive I have to reject the second one, and I go here, and then I suppose try to reject this one, delete drive, and you get such notification like one drive cancelled. So this pop-up comes when you have opened the app, but if your app is closed, you get a notification. So let's view this ride from airport to Marthalli and then Silk Board. So we are starting this trip. So if your job is already off, it automatically gets on if you start the drive. So this is your drive, and this blue icon, if you can see at last point, this is your current location. So the location, this is basically is of simulator. So this will be swipe to start the drive. So if I swipe to start the drive, the first thing I have to go is from my location to the starting point, which is from my location to the airport. And if you close this app at this time, suppose just for safety of the app, so if you again open the app, it again restores it to that same point where it was left off. See, we were about to go to airport from our current location to airport. So this is, so now you will click on this button, which will navigate from your location to the airport like this. So after reaching there, you will actually swipe this pick up from airport. But you see our current location is a starting point here. So if you try to complete this now, you will get you are not at the location unless you are inside the 500-meter radius of this drop point. It won't get accepted. So let's change our location actually. Where is the airport? Here it is something. Yeah, let's put it there. So point. Now we will set location of our simulator to here. Yeah, the blue dot came here, right? So now we are at the location of airport, and if we slide it now, yeah, so the next job comes like that one is done. So now your location becomes the airport, and the next location is Marthalli now here. So again, if you try to swipe here now, it won't accept because your location is at airport. It is not inside the 500-meter radius of the Marthalli. Let's go to Marthalli here, put location here. We are saving this point and then setting location. So now you can see the blue label here. It is the blue dot here. We are at Marthalli. Now we'll swipe this first drop here. Now the last drop here. Okay. So your location is this and the last drop is here. So let's change this to that location, this one here. Okay, save point and set location. So meanwhile, if you try to see here, you see this track live drive of this driver one, automatically it comes whenever you are whenever this driver is doing some drive, then this button will come and you can track it like this. So if I click it, this is the current drive we are actually going. So lastly we put this location, no, so this conflict previous location we came from airport, and then we are going to, so this shows actually the first location, and we are going to last drop here. So after automatically completes, this button will go off automatically. Okay, so we'll see that. So I'm swiping this to complete the drive. Okay, trip completed. The trip got deleted from here. Basically it has gone to completed drive, which I haven't made yet, and you see the button has already gone from here. You can close this, and now you see this green dot. This is because the driver is online. As soon as I switch off this button, and so see this here, driver gets offline, and it shows last online was few seconds ago. You can send notification like hello body. So you get it like this. If your mobile is off, then you get like a notification hello, you get it in notification like this. So this part of dashboard is only has completed, which which actually totally simulates the trip here, and you can track here. Okay,